Hi, in today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to reset your password on Coinbase application. So first of all, of course, you would like to go and download Coinbase application on your phone. Of course, if you don't have that, all you need to do, just go download it through Play Store if you're using an Android, App Store if you're using an iPhone, or any other store you could be possibly using. Then you would like to go and open the application, then click add getting started to create your account. Of course, if you don't have an account, just follow the tutorial, or not the tutorial, the steps to create your account. Of course, you can even follow a tutorial on our channel on how to do that. Just go check our channel out. And of course, if you already have an account, just log into your account and ignore all of that, and let's just get into this tutorial. So for me, I'm just going here to open my Coinbase application, as you should, of course, if you want to follow this tutorial steps. So let's just wait here until the actual application loads. So as you can see, that will actually be my home or my main screen on Coinbase application. And if I want actually to reset my password, all I need to do, just go to my account. So of course, if you want to, like, first of all, discover the Coinbase application tools or options, just go discover them out. So for me, I'm just going here to click at the three lines at the top left corner, then click at which is right here, profile and settings. So as you can see from here, all we need to do, just scroll down until you find this security option. So as you can see here, you can actually, in security options, first of all, we have like require PIN. If you, of course, if you want to add a PIN before entering your application. So this is an example, your phone is in a place not secure, so you would like to set a PIN if your phone is being used like by different persons. So of course, if you want to change your password, just go and click add this change security settings. So if you click on that, it will actually takes you into the Google Chrome or whatever browser you're using in your phone. And of course, as you can see, let's just wait until the page loads. Let's just click on dismiss. You'll have here the password, and you can click add changing password. Exactly. So here, all you need to do, just type your old password, then type the new password, then confirm it, and you can even enter the two-step verification code you will get on your phone. Of course, then all you need to do, click at submit, and you will be good to go. So this will be actually for this tutorial. I hope you like it. Thank you guys for watching, and goodbye.